Part 1. My ancestors blessed me with health, wealth, and purpose. 1. The ancestral light awakens in you. As you close your eyes, you sense a warm glow rising from beneath your feet, like golden sunlight stored deep within the earth. You imagine roots extending from your heels, reaching downward into ancient soil, traveling through layers of time, memory, and wisdom. You feel connected to something far older than your physical form, a lineage of strength that pulses with the power of thousands who came before you. Their breath becomes your breath. Their determination becomes your determination. As the light rises, you whisper to yourself, I am the expression of generations who overcame, achieved, and expanded. You feel the glow move upward, filling your legs, spine, heart, and face, until you stand completely illuminated from within. You sense your ancestors surrounding you, not as shadows or spirits, but as echoes of love, as the guidance encoded within your blood.